Hello everyone. Welcome to our Class 8 Artificial Intelligence lesson. In this video, we will solve the complete exercise of Chapter 1, AI Project Lifecycle. Every question will be explained step by step with simple reasoning, so you can understand the concept, as well as remember the correct answer for your exams. Let's begin with the multiple choice questions. Question 1 asks, what does AI learn from? The answer is C, data. AI algorithms require large data sets to find patterns. It's not magic or luck. Just like you need books to study, AI needs data to learn. Moving to question 2. In spam detection, what is the AI's job? The correct answer is D, to identify spam emails. The AI acts as a smart filter, classifying emails as either legitimate or unwanted to keep your inbox safe. Question 3. What is the first stage of a project cycle? The answer is A, defining the problem. You must know what you are trying to solve before you collect data or build a model. Remember the sequence: problem, data, model, and then test. For question 4, let's look at some math. If an AI model correctly predicts 8 out of 10 spam emails, its accuracy is 80%. Accuracy is simply the ratio of correct predictions to the total number of attempts. Question 5 asks, why an AI model improves? The answer is C, because it gets new data added. AI does not have feelings. It relies on processing more diverse data over time to refine its accuracy and learn. Now for our fill-in-the-blank section. Question 1. AI learns by finding patterns in data. The AI acts like a digital detective, using statistical analysis to spot repeating sequences or correlations.
Question 2. An AI project follows a project cycle. This is the step-by-step framework, similar to how a plant grows, used to build functional AI systems from scratch.
Question 3. Spam emails often contain suspicious words. AI models use natural language processing to instantly recognize common scam terms like free or urgent. Question 4. After testing, we improve the system. Testing reveals errors and provides a feedback loop, allowing developers to make the necessary tweaks to improve performance. Question 5. A. I cannot work without data. This is the golden rule. Data is the foundational infrastructure that powers every single smart system. Moving to short answer questions. Question 1. How does AI learn? It follows a simple 3-step process: analyzing data, finding patterns, and making predictions. Make sure to include all 3 keywords in your answer. Question 2. Why is defining the problem important? It is the vital first step that tells us exactly what we need to solve, which in turn guides us in collecting the right, relevant data. Question 3. What happens in the testing stage? The model is checked using unseen test data. This measures its accuracy and performance to see if it has truly learned and is ready for the real world. Finally, question 4. What is meant by accuracy? It refers to how correctly the AI predicts results. Use the example of 8 out of 10 being 80% to ensure a complete answer. Moving on to short answer, question number 5. We need a real-life example of an AI project. The textbook suggests a spam email detection system. This project works silently every day, using natural language processing to protect your inbox from unsolicited marketing and malware. Next, let's think and apply by building a fake news detector. The process follows 4 stages. First, define the problem. Second, collect real and fake news data. Third, test the AI tools. And finally, reflect and improve by adding more data to increase accuracy. Let's consider an AI system for predicting delivery times. By learning specific rules, like distance under 10 kilometers, clear weather, and low traffic, the AI can classify orders. For example, Order 5 meets these criteria and is marked on time, while Order 6 fails them and is marked late. Here is a summary of the AI blueprint. Every project follows a loop. Define the goal, collect the necessary data, analyze that data to learn repeating patterns, and test the system to improve its accuracy. This cycle is the foundation of artificial intelligence. That concludes our lab session on the AI project lifecycle. You have mastered the key stages. If this video helped you, please like and share it with your classmates. Let us know in the comments what AI project you would build, and subscribe for more lessons on Class 8 IT and AI.